Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to get your profile link on Instagram by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do, just go open the Instagram application. So if your new friends cannot find out the ID of your Instagram, you just need to go send them your profile link so that they will be generated into your profile directly just by click the link that you already shared. Okay, and after that you just need to go click in the profile to access the profile link. And the profile, you will be faced this two options: either you want to edit the profile or share profile. Since we want to share our profile, just need to go click share profile, and after that you just need to go click share profile or copy the link. If you want to copy the link, you just need to click copy the link, and after that you can paste the link into the application that you have a conversation with your friend with. Or if you want to share it directly, just go share profile and just need to decide which application that you want to share this link with. That's all the way how to share your profile into your friends, guys. So if you find out this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.